thing is seriously amazing. So it comes with all these different attachments. So it just pops right out. You have a nice long hose, the different attachments. It also comes with different lengths for the blade. Let me show you. This is seriously the coolest pet find I have found on TikTok. So here's the compartment, power button, and it has 3 different vacuum levels. So that's the lowest. This is so cool.